Hey there.
Meterpreter.
Subscribe to my channel.
It's short for the
And
Meta
also press this
Interpreter.
bell icon.
It's an advanced payload that is included in the Metasploit framework. Its purpose is to provide complex and advanced features that would otherwise be tedious to implement purely in assembly. The way that it accomplishes this is by allowing developers to write their own extensions in the form of
Subscribe to
shared
my
object
channel.
DLL
And
files
also press
that
this
can be
bell
uploaded
icon.
and injected into a running process on a target computer after exploitation has occurred. Meterpreter and all of the extensions that it loads are executed entirely from memory and never touch the disk, thus allowing them to execute under the radar of standard antivirus detection.
Hey there.
So let's start up a Meterpreter session.
And also press this bell icon.
Go to Kali, open a terminal screen, and run MSF console. Let's exploit Metasploitable once again, using the Java RMI server insecure default config vulnerability. Now, because we have seen all these before, I want to keep it quick.
There.
Search and use the
Subscribe to my
exploit,
channel. And also press this bell icon.
and now is the time to choose the payload. Type show payloads to see the available payloads. And here are a couple of Meterpreter payloads. I want to use Java Meterpreter reverse TCP for this example, so I use the set payload Metasploit framework command with the payload name. Type show options to see the options to set.
Hey there.
First, the
Subscribe to
module
my
options,
channel.
which we already know.
And also press this bell icon.
Set our host, serve host, leave the R port and serve port as it is. And now here are the options of the Meterpreter reverse TCP payload. And as you see, they are not different from the reverse shell payloads options. So because it's a reverse connection, it requires the listen host and the listen
Subscribe
port.
to my channel.
Set the L host
Also
as our
press this
Kali
bell
and
icon.
L port if you'd like to change. I don't need to change it, so I'll just leave it there. And now type exploit to run the exploit. It succeeded. We have 3 Meterpreter sessions now. Use sessions L to list the active sessions and sessions I with the ID of the session that we want to
Subscribe my
interact with.
channel. And also
Now
press this bell
we have a
icon.
Meterpreter session. Congratulations. So I want to run one of the Meterpreter sessions now, sysinfo, to check if I exploited the correct system. And there it is. Yes, I'm in Metasploitable.